Maintaining and regularly servicing any light commercial vehicle is important for its efficiency and reliability. This is particularly important for any system that has an integrated filter, as the media becomes loaded with contaminants over time and requires regular replacement. These include the engine oil filter, which traps and holds the contaminants, as an engine relies on clean oil circulating under pressure to lubricate and prevent metal-to-metal contact of bearings. The engine air filter. This filters airborne contaminants from entering the engine. These can vary from visible, highly abrasive granules to microscopic soot particles. The diesel fuel filter protects the fuel system from particles and water, as the moving parts of the high-pressure pump and injectors are manufactured to incredibly fine tolerances and are put under enormous loads. The cabin filter cleanses the air entering the passenger compartment and prevents pollutants from being inhaled by the vehicle's occupants. It also keeps dirt out of the vehicle's heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. In this video, we look at the replacement procedure for all these filters on the featured vehicle, which is a 2014 Isuzu D-Max 2.5 twin-turbo pickup. Once the engine oil is drained, remove the oil filter located on the top of the engine and clean the mating surface. Apply a film of fresh oil to the rubber seal and install the new filter, tightening by hand. To replace the air filter, unclip the air filter housing, slide out the top part of the housing from the two retaining pegs, and remove the old filter. Insert the new filter and reassemble the filter housing. The fuel filter is located close to the bulkhead. Unclip the water sensor wiring harness, unscrew the plastic retaining ring, and split the housing to reveal the filter element. Remove the filter, checking for any debris in the fuel. Replace the O-ring seal and insert the new filter. Close the housing and tighten the retaining ring. Relocate the housing and prime the fuel system with the hand pump located on top of the housing to bleed the fuel system of air. Moving inside the vehicle, remove the lower glove box lid. Then remove the screws retaining the inspection panel to access the cabin filter. Unclip the cover and slide the old cabin filter out and insert the new one. Reassemble in the reverse order. With all the filters replaced, fill the engine with fresh oil to the correct amount. Start the engine, check for any fluid leaks, switch off and recheck the oil level and adjust as necessary. Then road test the vehicle. Blueprint, the trusted partner to keep LCVs moving.